Hi, happy Saturday. You are well on your way. This is fantastic. Okay, one more component to all of this that we haven't really talked about. Fitness, great. Okay, that's under control, right? Maybe, maybe not. Diet, all right, fine. We're eating our fruits and veggies. That's wonderful. Understanding that even as you're losing weight, that our body type is what it is. Your basic shape will stay the same. Beyond that, in order to really be effective, there's another component to all of this. It was kind of the hardest one for me to grasp when I lost that, bunch of weight some time ago. It's a little bit more elusive, but it's equally as important. And that is the idea of allowing the thinner version of yourself to take hold in your mind. Visualization is key. And again, it's more like, what? This is holding on to, Jell-O. I don't get it. I remember when I was trying to lose weight, doing the right things, and then I was stuck, or I would lose and gain the same 5 or 10 pounds. And it was the strangest thing. And there was a part of me that was used to being heavier, and it was almost hard to let go of that. And I had to see myself as that thinner person. I had to walk around as if. I had to imagine myself, really imagine myself as that smaller person. And I was so used to being heavier that there kind of was this disconnect. There was a certain level of comfort and familiarity in being heavier. I don't know. It's hard to explain, but if you're in that place, you might know what I'm talking about. And so as you're doing all of your exercise and you're eating the right things and, you're kind of on track in that way, you need to make sure that your heart and your mind accepts the smaller version, or you're going to keep losing and gaining the same, 5 or 7 pounds. So you need to be really okay with being the smaller version, and to make sure that if you're heavier, there isn't, just some small part of you that likes that, that finds comfort in that, and that maybe hides behind that weight a little bit. If this doesn't make any sense to you, then it's probably not a factor. But if you understand what I'm talking about, then it probably applies. And that was the last thing for me, accepting okay, it is okay to let go of this weight. I don't need to hide anymore. And, sometimes we hide not so much from other people, though that can be the case as well, but hiding from ourselves. So anyway, just, that little sidebar. Hope you have a great weekend, and we'll chat next time. Have a good day. Bye.